In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to build a DIY hot water machine for commercial diving, so you can dive deep under that ice cold water without breaking the bank. If you haven't already seen my video on how to make a DIY commercial diving hot water suit, go check out that video next, because you're going to need one after I show you how to make the machine. And if you guys enjoy my content, please don't forget to drown that like button. This is a brand name hot water system for diving, and as you can see, it's a whopping $14,000. Damn! And it's not even returnable. I'm going to show you how to use a little ingenuity and knock over $10,000 off that price tag. This DIY system here is extremely reliable, and when taken care of properly, it almost never fails. If you've been following along, you've probably seen it in the background of many different scenes in my videos. And this is a North Star Industrial Hotbox. These machines are actually marketed as an add-on to a pressure washer to get that pressure washer water boiling hot, and it's only $2,500. Since we're using it for diving, we're going to need a small volume tank which helps maintain a steady water temperature going to the diver and gives us a small reserve in case the machine shuts down. And for that, we use a 10-gallon portable tool air tank. Just swap the air hose fittings for garden hose fittings and put a quarter-turn ball valve on there. Try to find one with 2 inlets so you don't have to weld one on. Then, you'll need a well pump to feed your machine. We use these deep well submergible pumps, but if you're running more than 2 divers, you may need a higher flow pump. Using a heavy-duty garden hose, the well pump goes to the machine's inlet, and then on the other side, a garden hose comes off of the outlet and then into the volume tank. Then you have another outlet coming off the other end of the volume tank, and that gets plugged right into the diver's hot water with a simple garden hose fitting right into his umbilical, and that carries hot water through the umbilical into the diver's end. Then you just plug in your new DIY hot water suit. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments.